And hello there, Kamen Rider fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is the latest figurized standard for the Kamen Rider line. We have Kamen Rider Ghost Ore Damashi. So, yep, let's look at the box art so we can see here the Ghost driver, Kamen Rider Ghost here, doing. I think this is before he does his finisher. And we see figurized standard here, and of course this belongs to Bandai Spirits, and they included Bandai Namco. So that's in the cover art. Off to the side, we see here Kamen Rider Ghost build, front and back. We can see that there is the gimmick wherein this is Ghost, and the hoodie here wherein, before he transforms, he's in the transient state, and there's a hoodie that covers him. Same as when he transforms or change forms as well. Yep. And there he is. We could replicate what we see in the box art here. Yep. And of course, he has his weapons here. Off to the other side, we see information about the show. Goes here. And yep, that's what we have on the box. So let's crack it open. So first we are greeted with one bag here with a silver sprue. Second bag with two sticker sheets and a black sprue. Third bag, we have a couple more sprues here, mostly black, and some clear parts. Last bag we have here is the standard stand, some black parts, some clear parts, and clear orange parts. And of course, we cannot always forget the instruction manual and some guides. Some guide on how to assemble it. So let's take a look individually at the runners. So first up, we have runner A, wherein it has orange, a clear orange, clear parts, some translucent parts here. No, not translucent. Kind of opaque-ish, and yeah, black parts because yeah, Ghost is mostly black. Okay, so that's for runner A. We have a B1 here, which is mostly black as well, which is also accompanied by a B2, and I don't see, wait, there it is. Yep. So B2 actually contains, some parts of the hoodie Ghost. So that's B1 and B2. We also have a C1 here. Again, more black parts, more shinier than the other one. That's C1. We also have a C2 here. Yep. Well, mostly black because, and we have D1 silver parts here. Yep. And of course, we have a stand. Of course, where should we put the Ghost? The hoodie Ghost, and the standard stand. And of course, it gives you two sticker sheets. And I'm guessing, yeah, this sticker sheets is because, although most of Ghost's color is black, but there are some orange outlines, so this is the sticker sheet for that. And yep. We cannot forget the instruction manual. So there you have it, Kamen Rider fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the figurized standard Kamen Rider Ghost Ore Damashi. So if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, and of course viewing more other videos and sharing the videos. Again, this is Mixerwars saying until next time, thank you.